Hi, my name is Lamka John Bosco, and here is my individual and final presentation of my mobile app that's called EasyGo. And for the project overview, EasyGo is a mobile app system that's designed for the Apple users and developed with Figma. And we got two main groups in our service that's separate to drivers and customers, and there are divided in four spaces like the driver-centered tools, customer-focused service, unfold platform design, and attractive user experience. And for the feature for drivers, our apps provide the main tools that's right on the right side, like the maps navigation, the parking and charging station, the real-time traffic and chat, and roadside assistance. And also the main concern is the order. And the driver can stay informed the real-time condition and the traffic update, plus a check function to connect with other drivers to access the roadsides to know what and when the road status. And also, if you got enough orders or a task, you can get some extra awards from what you got. And for the customers, mainly we got four features too. The first is the ride-hailing service and the transport service, and the designated driver and the private chauffeur. And as in this apps, what our main feature is all the customer can find their ride-hailing or transportation service all in the one page. No need to changing different apps like Google Van or Uber, and to make all the things in one. And as the special ones is our private chauffeurs and the designated driver. This is what is very rare and people who need it in Hong Kong. And here is the video of the apps, what's going on. And let me just talk it as in the snapshot. And the first in our first login pages, you can see there will be a login or the sign up. That's called the create an account buttons, which you can do it. And after that, after you sign up, you will see there are two profiles that you can choose as the passenger and the driver. And also we got multi choices for you to log in, like the Google or the Apple sign in. And after we get into the driver screen, and you can see there a clear image of the maps, and there the main contrast is the online tab. And also in the search bar, you can see what the function that I've talking about before, and the main function all is inside the search. And in the wallet, there are the quest, what I just told about is for the awards. If you have processed all the quests, and you can get the extra bonus. And in the setting page, you will got the basic setting what you need. And in the mode, you can see that there are two modes for the driver, or some of them can be doing in both ways. Like if you want to do as an designated driver, you can go to that way and put down your car and start doing your designated driving. And also there will be an order display, that which is when you are going online. After you're going online, there will be automatically pops out when there are orders nearby you. And after you accept the orders, there will be the road how it's going to the point to take your service, to take your orders. And in the passenger screen, the passenger provides a streamed interface that's for access to all ride service in the one page. In our apps, at last we all included the Uber, Taxi, GoVan, Lalamove, and this designated driver service and private chauffeur service in the upper side on the free button, which you can choose easily, and you can do a quick booking. And behind that, there will be three main pages: the service page, the ride page, the setting page. The service page is another way that you can access to what service that you want, but not in the home page. And in the second page, the ride page, you can rebook your history, or you can check what you have ride before or use the service before and their prices, and you can choose it and rebook it as a faster way. And in the setting page, you can also manage your vehicle, which because of our apps, there are designated driver and private chauffeur, which you can find our driver to drive your passenger's own car, so that you need to be managed the car over here. And after you have added your vehicle and insurances, and you can ask for the designated vehicle or chauffeur service. After you have added your new vehicle, you can see that when you are choosing your service, your car plate will be also pumped on the first line for you to search. And after you have put the order and the driver has arrived, there will be multi options that you can choose for the safety and the insurances, like the dual device trip audio recording, which means customer and driver's phone will be audio recorded in the whole trip. And also able the GPS sharing, that is only shared to our company's server. That's when anything's happen, we will got your location immediately to prevent your safety. And also you can add additional vehicle insurances for your car to protect more of your car. And after ride, there will be a mini SOS button. Then you need to press and hold for 3 seconds to be activated. And after activate, the apps will be automatically connect to the customer service, which is our safety team. And also, if after 60 seconds no one answered, they will straightly call the police and also notify the trust contacts that you are managed. And in the conclusion, I think the passenger safety is the several key for features. Before to start riding, passenger can choose those options that can prevent that can protect them. And also, like the audio recording, the real-time location, there is the extra things for you to to manage your trip for extra insurance. And our safety team will be 24/7 as waiting, and also which can access their phone's camera, microphone, and GPS to let we know what's happened immediately when the SOS button is going on. And here I think we will be the maximum security with full respect for our user consent and privacy. And this is all my apps. Thank you.